And yun! Ito nga pala yung ginagawa natin kay Lance. It's a positive project wraparound in progress. 2 consecutive days. It composed of Mama Mary Angels. It's a religious project. Represents of a protected by angels, driven by purpose. My life, my time, my faith aligned. Grace surrounds what time cannot break. Kapatid, we do edit before tattoo. Kailangan i-digital layout natin para makita mo kung ano yung reference o actual na kalalabasan ng design na gusto mo. If nasa abroad ka, down to avail a free layout and schedule. We do home service, hatid sundo, car tattoo, even walk-in, Nara Street, 3 Lane 3, Imus, Cavite. Our shop open 24/7. We have a lot of parties. We offer a tattoo erasure, tattoo cover-up, piercings, and happy New Year sa lahat, 2026. Sipagan pa natin lupitan dahil lang sipag ang babago ng buhay mo. Thank you, Lord, and who's next? Boss!
Maaga na kami ni Lance. Napakalapit ni Lance.
Good morning.
Ito yung first session din. Kumusta?
Okay, boss.
Good.
Walang sakit.
Wala sakit. Ano, nagustuhan mo naman?
Mati siya.
Yun, thank you. Bali si Lance, pati yung kuya niya tinatato. Ito, dito rin, no? Yan, so, sa lahat ng gusto mong patato, may always on the 24/7 music. And thank you. Salamat sa tiwala, bossing.